Okay, here's the picture. I've already started drawing it for example 3. This is another great SAT problem, and there's some important things going on here. So it says in the figure shown, ABCD is a rectangle. So I can say that is the same as that, and AB is the same as CD, and I got my marks there. Points P, Q, and R are different points on a line that is not shown, but I've drawn it already, that is parallel to AD. So since it's parallel, that's really important, because it will mean when we slide things around, they got to stay parallel. So there's P, Q, and R. Okay? And one of the things it says is points P and Q are symmetric about AB. So AB is one of the sides of the rectangle, and it's symmetric. So that really means this piece is supposed to be 3 marks there. But I can't really fit it in, so let me do this. Let me take these ones out so we know that they exist there, and then we don't have to. I'm going to redraw that. Okay, and so we can say this piece is the same as this piece. I don't have to worry about markings. If I keep reading, it says, and points Q and R are symmetric about line CD. So CD is the right side of the rectangle, and it has to be symmetric. So that means Q, the distance from Q to the edge of the up to this point right here, from there to there is the same as that there. Okay. Now, in algebra, we like to use variables. So one of the things I could do is I could call this x here, and then there's another x on this side. We could call this distance here y, and it's the same distance over here, so I can call that y. And oh, I forgot to write in that BC is 4, so the top edge is 4. Now, let me erase this out so it's not too confusing. Okay. Okay, so we've got that going there, and so what I can see is if I look at this piece right here in yellow, it is the same length as this piece right here, the side BC. So we can say that x plus y equals 4. Okay? Okay, big deal. Well, let's look at the line PQ, or the segment PQ. Actually, PR we're going to look at. There are 2 x's that make up its length, plus 2 y's. Some of you are going, big deal. Okay, if you don't see it, it's right here. There's x plus y plus y, right there. Okay? If we were to factor out the 2, we would get 2 times x plus y. And the nice thing is, that means wherever we see x and y, x plus y, which is right here, we can substitute in the number 4. So I'm going to get PR equals 2 times 4, which is 8. So I know the length of P to R, the segment P to R, has a length of 8. And let's just make sure we solve the problem. It says, what is P to R? And we've solved it.